Hi, my name is Obi, and I'm in 5th grade, and I'm going to be talking about resources that helps me learn in PS9. So I'll start with the ELA ones. Resources that help me in ELA are summaries, because they help me to know what is in a summary and what is not in a summary. And mentors help me learn, because they show me other students work, and in the mentor it shows how the work is going to turn out. So that's why mentors helps me. And this I think this is success criteria, but a different type of success criteria. But this thing helps me learn to show transitional words and phrases that I can use for my writing. And now I'll be doing math. Again, the thing that helps me is mentors. Mentors helps me with my work. If the mentors inside this thing, it helps me know what I should put in my solve, and it helps me do good in my solve. And the last one is a success criteria, because sometimes success criteria helps me. They show they show the part, what part is in the success criteria, and what should I do, and what part should I use in the success criteria. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Addie, and I'm in the 4th grade. So when I get stuck, I use mentors and this, and I don't have to look around the room. I could just look on the computer or just put on the paper, so I don't have to look around the room for the chart when I use it.
How did it help you?
It helped me when I was getting stuck on, because I was getting stuck on these quotes show. So I used the mentor, and I went back in the text, and I found a quote, or no, not a quote. I found something that I could add. And sometimes I use the spelling checker, so then I know if any of my words are wrong, so I know that I'm not getting any spelling wrong. And then for math, I use my solve progression. And for this, I used we talked about it in class, and then they used it in here. And then when I used it, it helped me a lot, because I explained my work from here. And when I noticed that I got a mistake here, so then it messed up, but it's okay, because then we always can go back and check our work when we have a problem that we mess up on. But I'm still really proud of myself that I did it, and I got so far.
Hello, my name is Ian, and I will be talking about solve and what helps me in it. So I use this progression, explain progression in my work for my explains. And before I started using this type of paper, I used boxed paper to help organize my stuff. But once I was able to organize it, I was able to stop using this. And before I knew all the components of solve and how to do them, I would use this checklist. And the progression helps me with my explains. And they have gotten much better over the years. And well, that's really all.
Hello, my name is Jacob. I'm in 1st grade. Today I'm going to be sharing my book all about orcas.
my stamina is to have 3 sentences on each page.
Okay, so how did you reach that goal?
By putting 3 sentences on every single page.
And how do you know that you're successful while you're working on that?
Whenever you finish a sentence, you do a period at the end of one. And then you color in 1 box if you finish a sentence.
Okay, so tell us about this page right here.
This is the hook.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to share your 3 sentences?
No.
I'm Mia. I'm in 2nd grade. What that I did the lesson progression. I did the title and I did the lesson at the beginning and the end.
How did you know that you had to do that?
Because the lesson is you need to be friends and share the work forever.
Which tool helped you?
The lesson progression.
Thank you, Mia.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Charles, and I use these tools to help me with my writing. So first I use the success criteria because it tells me what I need to do whenever I'm writing. And then the mentors help me lay it out and tell me where each of these need to go in here. And some of these things aren't like as strong details, but this like tells me what I need to write and where it needs to go. Unlike this where it's just like a layout, but like it doesn't tell me where everything exactly needs to go. But this tells me everything. So I really use the mentors more than this because this helps me more.
Okay, Emmy, we're going to start our exercises. Can you show me how you do that? What do your exercises help you with?
They help me with focusing.
Hi, Sebastian.
Hi.
What are you working on in speech today?
I'm working on making sentences.
You're working on making sentences, yes. So tell me about your visual.
The circles represent each word.
Okay, say that one more time.
The circles in front of me, those front for rings, represent each word.
Yes. And how does this help you?
Because now I know where to put each word.
Excellent.
Hi, my name is Jack Conway. I'm in the 4th grade, and I'm gonna say how mentors in ELA help me, and in progression charts help me in math. I'm gonna first do the ELA. Mentors help me because when I was doing the comparative literary essay, I was like stuck in some parts, like in the introduction, when I couldn't like find any like ways to describe it. So I used the mentor to try and like discuss like how it is. So like I used this as well, but I like changed it around a bit to like adjust it to how it will help me, and I even added a little parts. And even in other parts of the text and in math, when I was doing a solve, before I couldn't really like I understood all this, but I'm gonna be talking about the explain because my explain was never really like strong. But then when I got this, the solve explain progression, I used I was usually like a 1 or 2, but then once I got this, I feel like I moved up to like a 3, 4, since I included like where my estimation took place, my answer question, like my target sentence in a full sentence. I use like transition words to show like first, second, third, finally, and I explained how like I did it, like I did 24 divided by 2 equals 12 and all that, and I like included a sentence explaining why the estimate was reasonable, like, and when the final, like, and I compared like the actual like answer to the estimation, and I feel like I did 4 that time, and yep, that's what I did for, and that's how mentors and progression charts help me do my work in math and writing in ELA.